commencer.
means to start. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to start in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the verb and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. Now, we have the subject pronoun, the verb and the future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will start.
Je commencerai.
You will start, in formal way.
Tu commenceras.
He will start, masculine.
Il commencera.
She will start, feminine.
Elle commencera.
We will start, formal way.
Nous commencerons.
You will start, formal way.
Vous commencerez.
They will start, group of males or mixed people.
Ils commenceront.
They will start, group of only females.
Elles commenceront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will start my homework after dinner.
Je commencerai mes devoirs après le dîner. Je commencerai mes devoirs après le dîner.
You will start your work early tomorrow morning.
Tu commenceras ton travail tôt demain matin. Tu commenceras ton travail tôt demain matin.
He will start reading a new book tonight.
Il commencera à lire un nouveau livre ce soir. Il commencera à lire un nouveau livre ce soir.
She will start her diet next week.
Elle commencera son régime alimentaire la semaine prochaine. Elle commencera son régime alimentaire la semaine prochaine.
We will start the project as soon as possible.
Nous commencerons le projet dès que possible. Nous commencerons le projet dès que possible.
You will start studying for the exams this weekend.
Vous commencerez à étudier pour les examens ce week-end. Vous commencerez à étudier pour les examens ce week-end.
They will start working on the project together.
Ils commenceront à travailler sur le projet ensemble. Ils commenceront à travailler sur le projet ensemble.
They will start preparing dinner in a few moments.
Elles commenceront à préparer le dîner dans quelques instants. Elles commenceront à préparer le dîner dans quelques instants.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je commencerai. Tu commenceras. Il commencera. Elle commencera. Nous commencerons. Vous commencerez. Ils commenceront. Elles commenceront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.